Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a lemon blueberry tart, perfect for the spring. It has a shortbread crust, a delicious lemon filling, just packed with lemon zest and fresh lemon juice, and a homemade blueberry sauce. So stick around. So we need to do this in stages. The first thing we're going to do is make our blueberry sauce. It needs to kind of thicken up, so that's why we're doing that first. Then we're gonna make our shortbread crust, and then we're gonna make our lemon filling. We'll bake it up, and then pure deliciousness. For our blueberry sauce, we're going to mix cornstarch and lemon juice together in a small bowl until the cornstarch is dissolved. We're going to stir the blueberries and sugar together in a small saucepan over medium heat. We want to mash the blueberries against the side of the pan to help break them up. After the cornstarch is added, keep stirring and mashing the blueberries until the sauce thickens. For our shortbread crust, we're going to mix together the melted butter, sugar, vanilla extract, and salt. We'll add the flour and stir this completely to combine. Lots of butter in this. That's what we love in a shortbread crust. We're going to be putting our crust into a 9-inch Tart pan, and this has a removable bottom, which I prefer. If your Tart pan does not have a removable bottom, that's okay. We're gonna take our crust and we're just gonna spoon it in here. We're gonna get it flattened out onto the bottom and then up the sides. And I'll show you a little trick here in a second. So with the bottom of a measuring cup, you can just press the dough down. Just kind of want to get it an even layer on the bottom, and then we can start pressing up the sides. Now that I've pressed it down on the bottom, I'm going to try and get it evenly up the sides of the pan. I have my oven preheating to 350, and we're going to bake the shortbread crust for 15 minutes. So here we are, our tart's out of the oven, and I'm gonna take a fork and I'm gonna poke holes in it, not all the way to the bottom, just very lightly on the top. This will help adhere the filling to the crust, believe it or not. And now we're gonna make our lemon filling. To a medium bowl, I'm gonna be adding a can of sweetened condensed milk. Make sure it's the sweetened condensed milk and that it's not evaporated milk. They are not one and the same by any means. To this, we're going to add 6 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 1 egg yolk, and this is a teaspoon of lemon zest. And whisk this around until it's all combined. So there's our tart. And we're going to take our filling and just pour it right in to the already warm tart shell. Spread it around evenly. And now we're gonna put on our blueberry sauce. Here's our blueberry sauce from earlier. And I'm gonna take a spoon and just drop spoonfuls of the blueberry sauce on the top of the lemon filling. And then I'm gonna take a toothpick and I'm going to swirl the sauce and the filling together like this. Now we're going to put our tart back in the oven and we're going to bake it for 17 to 19 minutes. I would err on the side of under baking, because if you over bake this, it's going to taste really rubbery, and that's bleh, we don't want that. We're out of the oven. Look how beautiful this is, you guys. I am so excited about this. We need to let this cool completely before putting it in the refrigerator. Once in the refrigerator, it needs to chill for 2 hours. I know the waiting, right? I just took the lemon blueberry tart out of the refrigerator. It's been chilling for 2 hours. So now let's take it out of the tart pan, see what we get. Now, if everything went okay, I should be able to just lift the bottom part up and out of this, and we're good. Oh, look at that. Look at our beautiful tart. Okay, let's cut into this. This always makes me nervous. Ah, I would say success. Look at that. Let's give this a try. The shortbread crust is delicious. Oh my gosh, that is so lemony. Again, lemon zest really, really adds to the flavor. And the blueberries are such a nice accompaniment. No, it would be really good with this is some whipped cream that I didn't make. But this is so refreshing for a nice springtime dessert. Well, thank you everyone for coming along with me as we made this delicious lemon blueberry tart. I had so much fun making it today with you. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on any videos, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day.